Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Ravand English podcast. I'm Brandon, and I'm really happy you are here today. In this episode, we are going to work on something simple, real, and extremely useful. Talking about your day, not complicated grammar, not difficult vocabulary. Just real English you can use every single day of your life. I will speak slowly. I will repeat ideas. You will shadow my voice. And together we'll build your confidence step by step. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. Why this matters, why this is important. Talking about your day is one of the easiest and most natural ways to practice English. Why? Because it's your day. You know it. You lived it. You don't have to guess. You don't have to memorize anything new. When someone asks you, "What did you do today?" you want to feel calm, confident, and ready. And with practice, you will. Talking about your day helps you think in English, build a rhythm, and stop translating in your head. So let's train together, slowly, clearly, step by step. How to shadow. Shadowing means you repeat with me. Not too fast, not too slow. Just in a natural rhythm. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You don't need perfect grammar. All you need is your voice, your breath, and your attention. Repeat after me. Feel the English in your mouth. Let it flow naturally. Morning sentences. Let's start with the morning. Repeat each sentence after me. I give you a little time for each one. Are you ready? Let's go. I usually wake up around 7. Now you repeat. Sometimes I wake up earlier. Now you repeat. I stay in bed for a few minutes. I think about my day. I stretch my arms. I take a deep breath. I get out of bed slowly. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. Sometimes I take a quick shower. I feel fresh afterward. Afterward means after the action, after I take a shower. I put on clean clothes. I go to the kitchen. I make a simple breakfast. I usually drink coffee. Before I leave, I check my phone. I look at the time. I read my messages. Now, listen to a short story about a morning routine. Shadow it with me. In the morning, I usually wake up around 7. I lie in bed for a moment and think about my day. Then, I get up, go to the bathroom, and brush my teeth. Cold water helps me wake up. If I feel tired, I take a quick shower. After that, I get dressed and walk to the kitchen. I make a simple breakfast and drink a cup of coffee. Before I leave the house, I check my phone, grab my bag, and start my day. Excellent. Afternoon sentences. Let's move to the afternoon. Repeat after me. After lunch, I go back to work. Now you repeat. I check my emails. I answer the important ones first. I update my to-do list. I sometimes feel sleepy. I stand up and stretch. I take a short walk. You see, I used take for this sentence. I take a short walk. Fresh air helps me reset. I return to my desk. I try to focus on one task at a time. I drink water to stay awake. I organize my notes. I review my progress. I fix small mistakes. I ask coworkers for updates. We talk about tomorrow's plans. If I have free time, I study something new. I might read an article. Sometimes I watch a short video. I try to learn one new thing every day. Very good. Now, shadow this longer afternoon story. Are you ready? Let's go. In the afternoon, I usually feel calmer. I check my calendar and see what I need to finish. Sometimes I have meetings, so I prepare my notes. If I don't have meetings, I work quietly on my projects. After lunch, I sometimes feel sleepy, so I take a short walk. Fresh air helps me relax. Then I come back and continue working. I answer emails, write messages, and review my tasks. If I finish early, I use the extra time to study English. I listen to a podcast, shadow sentences, or learn new vocabulary. Before I leave work, I plan my next day. Perfect. Evening sentences. Let's move to the evening. Repeat after me. Okay? I come home in the evening. Your turn. Repeat. I take off my shoes. Now you repeat. I feel tired, but relaxed. I sit down for a few minutes. I check my phone. I watch a short video. I think about dinner. Sometimes I cook. Sometimes I order food. I eat slowly. I enjoy my meal. I talk to my family about our day. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I wipe the table. I take a warm shower. I change into comfortable clothes. I feel calm after the shower. I read a few pages of a book. Sometimes I listen to music. I avoid heavy work at night. I prepare my things for tomorrow. I set my alarm. I brush my teeth. I drink a little water. I lie down in bed. I think about my day. I slowly fall asleep. Very good. Listen to this evening story and shadow it. In the evening, I finally slow down. I come home, take off my shoes, and sit for a moment. I think about dinner and decide what to eat. Sometimes I cook something simple. Other nights, I order food because I'm tired. After dinner, I clean the kitchen so everything looks nice. Then, I take a warm shower and change into comfortable clothes. I listen to quiet music or read a few pages of a book. I try to relax my mind before bed. Before sleeping, I set my alarm and prepare for tomorrow. I lie down, breathe slowly, and fall asleep. Great job today. You repeated real sentences. You shadowed natural rhythm. You practiced English for real life. Come back to this episode anytime you want. Shadow it again. Make the sentences your own. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the Ravand English podcast. I'm Brandon. Keep watching, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next episode.